Hi, I'm Dr. Rajdeep. I'm a dermatologist and a dermatosurgeon, and I practice at Chirag Hospital in Bangalore. Psoriasis is a skin disease that's becoming more and more common today. And there's a lot of research trying to understand what causes psoriasis. So the treatment of psoriasis is based on this research. There are many claims that people can cure psoriasis. Yes, there are certain types of psoriasis that can be cured. A type of psoriasis known as guttate psoriasis that usually comes after a person has a fever can be completely cured. There are other types of psoriasis that are recurrent. These need to be managed with medicines based on the patient. Generally, we keep a rule that if psoriasis involves more than 10% of the body, then we need to give stronger medicines like tablets which control the immune system. Now, what is your immune system? Immune system helps your body to fight infections. The same immune system causes this disease called psoriasis. So, when using medicines to reduce the activity of immune system, it can cause side effects. So, these medicines are reserved only for people with severe psoriasis. Trying to understand psoriasis more and more has led us to understand that there are particular types of cells in the immune system causing psoriasis. So if we only target these particular cells, we don't cause any other problems and side effects caused by other immune suppressant medicines. So these latest medicines are called as biologicals. They are very safe and control psoriasis very effectively. But unfortunately, because of the amount of expenditure in research, these medicines are very expensive and most times need to be imported. So the best treatment for psoriasis would be tailored. That is, it would be made for that particular individual depending on their many factors, depending on factors like their profession, how severe their disease is and what areas are involved. Supposing psoriasis involves only hands and feet, but it's affecting a person's life and he cannot keep applying creams and ointments on the hands and feet because he uses them for his work. So then we have to start them directly with medicines, tablets that suppress the immune system. Suppose a person has lot of psoriasis, but it's all on covered areas and he doesn't wish to take tablets. In that case, there are treatments like laser and light therapy which are very effective for psoriasis. Sunlight, for example, is one of the best treatments for psoriasis, which is also seen in Dead Sea therapy in the Mediterranean, where people dip themselves in the Dead Sea and expose themselves to sunlight. There are a lot of advances coming up even now in psoriasis, and we are yet to find out what triggers that particular cell to start behaving differently and cause psoriasis. The treatment for psoriasis began thousands of years ago. In fact, the word psora was used by ancient Egyptians who used to mummify their bodies, and even mummies have been found to have psoriasis. It was first treated by Hippocrates by using coal tar. Coal tar is even sometimes used these days to remove thick scales in psoriasis.